Alicia Grande here, the CEO of Grande Cosmetics. I'm talking today about my #1 selling lash serum, Grande Lash MD. It's infused with vitamins, peptides, and amino acids, and it's actually safe to use with lash extensions. So I'm just going to show you how it works. This precision applicator is not drippy, therefore it shouldn't get in your eye if you dip only once. That's safe enough for both lash lines. So you're going to go on the inner corner and the outer corner of your lash line. Your lashes have a 3-month growth cycle. So in around 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to start to see results. And in 3 months, you're going to get full results. People are going to think you have false lashes on, I promise. Now, I want to let you know we did a study in Princeton Labs, New Jersey, that we had phenomenal results. 91% of the people said their lashes appeared longer. 94% of the people said their lashes were healthier. Grande Lash MD comes in 2 sizes. A full treatment is 3 months, and then we also have a 6-week supply. So you can reach your full lash potential, and so can your clients. Recommend Grande Lash. Cruelty-free, safe for lash extensions.